and welcome to Sandpaper. So, a announcement to karne aisu moi already 4:30 pura 6:30 loke we had a very wonderful session, a very wonderful webinar. And a announcement to webinar to disu, but I thought a announcement to imane important hoy that I should give it separately as well. So, Sandpaper is launching for the first time in the whole Northeast and probably in the whole country as well. I cannot guarantee that part. But for the first time in the whole Northeast, we are announcing a pre-foundation batch. Now, what is a pre-foundation batch? Taking the first step towards success is extremely important because I keep on saying APSC's journey across a desert. It is a marathon across a desert where there is no footprint. There is no map, only your syllabus. Jodi apuni right direction ot khustu nakare apuni arambhonite bole beka ke ulta ke goi ase, then you will be lost in the marathon. You will be lost. And we don't want you to be lost because for you, it's your life. It's a life-changing decision that you are taking when you're going inside a career option. So what we are doing in the pre-foundation course, Pratham Kota, it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free. It is for beginners. Beginner mane, if you have already given before, bore ho jaoge. Sida sidi kotha. Because you might already know about it. Beginners mane students who are in campus, june bachelor's pohi ase, june bachelor's pohi se ebar ulaise, june master's pohi ebar ulaise, june belek job kori ase etia they want to come to APSC. New mothers who want to change the track, mothers who want to change their track deep inside their lives, and who already have been preparing for some other exam and now you want to prepare for it. But only criteria is that you need to be a beginner. Beginner hoboi lagibo. So if you are a beginner and you want to start preparing for APSC, we will take care on how to start preparing for APSC in the pre-foundation course of APSC by Sandpaper. Also, 15 days or course hoy, only 15 days or course hoy. It starts from 26. So apna sab effectively 3 din ase to have the registration. Both online and offline mode. If you want to come and sit in our classes, you want to have the classes, welcome. But if you want to do it online, then also welcome. State of the art our website hoy. Apuni hetu to undergo koribo pare. Already 700-800 people are already using the website. Also, what is the aim behind this? You need to master your basics before you go to the actual journey. So it's going to be basics. We are building your basics in this 15 days. And after your basics are built, apuni eta effective decision lobo paribo whether you want to take a professional help or you want to do self study. Kiki basic manu to arambhonite phosi jay no, kunba belek phale gusi jay, non credible manor pa kotha honi pele belek direction jay. You take help from people who have qualified the exam before you, have won the game before you. You go ahead with them. 15 din rigorous classes. I am going to personally take care that your basics are completely up to date. Me and my team are here with our full preparation. You need to register, either scan the QR, nohale phone number gitat, it will 5 you contact these numbers and you register today for the free pre-foundation course. Pre-foundation is extremely important day. I want you to start in the right step ahead. Also, Sandpaper or almost every idea is now copied. Abhi people will tell je, abhi ekun hoy diok, it's because you are disruptor. Maybe we are. But point is that Sandpaper or innovation to a USP hoy. We innovate. We bring new things to you. That is how we operate. But everything has been copied of Sandpaper. All Assam mock test has been copied. Means copy paste copied. Amar gute mentorship thing has been copied. But you can copy the idea, but you cannot copy the execution because you don't know the spirit of it. Hobo pare kali amar pre-foundation course to copy hoje. We cannot stop it because we will not copy others because ethical organizations don't do that. But pre-foundation course to kali copy hoy gele hoi jabo pare. But you need to know, mo hodai ko, Adibas cannot be Adidas. Execution is a different ball game. Ami ar bitor ki poham, we know that. And we know what is the basic thing why we have designed the program. So, Kali Porohi jodi belege pre-foundation course copy korilo, you will know the execution वैसा नहीं हो सकता. So always choose Adidas, not Adibas. know what you are doing, take your decisions well. And also, we are not joking when we say that we are like, closing our admissions. I mean, actually close kori diu. I mean, all our mock tests close kori diu, our current affairs close kori diu. So we do that because our एक principle है जे quality before quantity. So all as a mock test to jene ke amar close hoye gol. Pisod I'm getting phones up till aji morning or whether we'll be conducting another one. No, because it is too close to the exam. Ita all on the mock test patiboy na lage. Ar boise jodi jaok bar ami ki kom. But ita to actually jaboy na lage, patiboy na lage because it's too close to the exam. Are confidence level says. But that is not the point. The point is je যদি আপনালোকে আজি রেজিস্টার নকরে, please don't tell me when I close the registrations যে বা close হয়ে গেল, because you need to be fast. We have a stipulated number of seats. এই seats যদি fill up হয়ে যায়, then we will close the registrations for the pre-foundation. Then it's free. It's free. So there is no loss. Immediately you should register. So register today and get benefit of this only pre-foundation course for APSC in the whole of Northeast and arguably even in the nation. So we don't know that exactly can to claim corona hai. But the point is register today because it's going to be life-changing for you. I hope to see you as a student on 26th. Thank you.